What's up guys, welcome back. Giblet from Poppy Playtime 5. The cute little, is he an inside out? Is he one of those? I think he's an inside out one. Well, he's got lots of stitches and stuff and fluff coming through from the other side, so I assume he is. So let's start with his eyes. So, top eyelid line, we're just going to curve it across here. Okay, and then like his eyeball kind of comes down this way. And then it goes in. It's kind of thin. You know, it's not like a circle. And then he has eyelids coming around the bottom. So these sort of lids that blink, you know. So it's got like an edge as well. So top eyelid is kind of covered with a bit of hair. So it's a bit fluffy here. But then the back is kind of round. And it might have a bit of an edge line just coming around it there. So then his purple flower eye. So it's like bumpy like a flower. Bumping around, 4 bumps. Like that. It's kind of bigger on that side. And then he has a darker section inside as well. Like so. So then we're going to add a big eyebrow. So now I'm going to spike it, you know. Easiest way to draw hair is just these sort of spikes and stuff. And it goes quite big, I think. So it goes like up. And we go down. And you could put some textures on it there if you wanted, just to make it look a bit hairy. So he has lots of stitching and hair all over, but we'll probably just do the main sort of parts, and then we'll add like all the fur and stitches and stuff. So main part number 2 is his eye patch. So we're going to do a kind of a big eye patch over where the other eye would be, just around like this. And it's not like a perfect circle, it can be sort of wavy. Right, so around the outside of this we have some stitching. So just these little dashes. Like that. And he has straps that kind of go around his head. But say, we'll do this one first, because it goes behind his eyebrow. And it's probably easiest to get in. Just follows the eyebrow shape here. Goes in behind it then. Okay. So his nose isn't a nose. It's like a screw with a box around it. So you do this square here. And then there's like a flathead screw. Like that. I suppose that's supposed to be his nose. So then he has a big mouth. Big bumpy sort of, kind of curves up under that screw first, like a, you know, like a bear or a cat. And then it waves back this way then. Kind of bumps it up a good bit here. Goes past his eyes, you know, either side. That's the main thing to remember. And he's lots of veins and things. So the other side. And then we have teeth inside, and they're just kind of flat, square teeth. The biggest ones are kind of at the front here, so they're just these flat, like boxes, you know. And you can see a little bit of these on this side, barely though. And And then some on the bottom. Yeah, there's another one here. Right, and we can just see like it's dark, but he has a tongue in there, just in the back. Right, and I think he's got like a bit of a bump just coming out from his nose there as well. Okay, so his cheeks, he's got real big cheeks that kind of come out from here, right? Curve around. Now, down here, along here, there's bits of hair that come off the shape for his face, right? So I'll just do it as I go, because it's probably easier. So just some like little spikes like that. And they kind of grow onto his face, right? So they've got like these little textures on them. It's just like bits of fluff that come out from his stitches. And then we go down and we meet like another one on his chin. So like another, it's like a goatee sort of thing. Right, and then we'll go this way and we'll meet another one. There's all stuff inside here as well, but we'll get I think I'll get the shape for his head in first, right? So we'll curve his head, try and get it all in first, and then we'll add all this hair. Curving around this way. And he's a bit of hair that sticks up the middle, but I'll just jump over this for a second and then we'll go down this way. Right, and then his hair sticks up the center, so you get like this patchy sort of round hair, like pineapple kind of hair spikes sticking out, right? So they all just stick out here. You can do this anyway, just once it's kind of spiky, you know, kind of sticking up here. And of course he has another eyebrow that's over his eye patch as well. Just there. It's kind of higher up than this one, probably because of the strap. And then there's that other strap there. And then the side of his head. Now every now and then he has like cotton candy balls, like you know, cotton wool or his filling just kind of coming out of his head. I know, it's weird. Right, and then his ears, big ears, coming out, and then they're kind of furry on the edge. Then it comes down to there. And it has an inside sort of skin section, I suppose is what you'd call it. And then there's all stitching down there. And there's all fur back there, but I'll get the other one in, the other shape, and then we'll do all the fur together. It's got like a weird piece sticking out of his ear here. And it's like spiky every now and then. This one has like an interior part that sticks out like more. Like spiky hair here. He's kind of, there's a lot to Giblet. Like he's complicated. So that's like the main sections. So what we got to do now is add more stitches, fur, and like pieces of cotton coming out of his face. So he's got like a line right down here, right? So we've got like, say like on his nose, there's like some cotton balls and then some like stitching, like X marks the spot stitching, and then this has like fur every now and then coming out of it. So you can do this whatever way you want. You can do fur, stitching, hair, or any sort of combination of that. But basically it's a line up the middle. And there's like some stitching here as well. So these kind of yellow stitches coming down his face. It's like one there. And then I suppose you could see a line in the middle of that. And then he has these pink veins. Kind of around like that as well. Little circles and like every now and then little red fluff and stuff sticking out. Stitches down here. Then a vein. So you keep sort of doing this wherever you think, you know, wherever you can see it on his face. And there's all like fluff sticking off here as well. Fluff sticking off the side of his face, just all these spikes. All stitches here. There's like a big ball of cotton sticking out of his head there. Stitches. Like some fur sticking out the side of his ears. Am I missing anything? Yeah, I think there's more stitching here. And then on his ear, there's stitches and fur and everything. So like stitches here. And then hair. Furry ears. Maybe like a cotton ball or something on the edge of his ear. And you're just kind of adding fur wherever you think. And in between, a stitch every now and then. Fur on his face. Okay, that's enough for me, I think. You could do more if you wanted, of course. But we've got to get on and do his body. So we'll go down as far as the waistcoat anyway. So his waistcoat, from this piece of fur, will go just round sort of body down here. And then he has like a strap that comes around it. Doesn't go the whole way because it meets like this sort of buckle, like a gold medallion or something. It's like a circular thing just right here, which kind of sits on his belly. A little circle there. And then these straps have little details on them, like some stitches and edge lines just coming around the edges. And then his belly will come out the other side, this way. And then the waistcoat just closes over in the middle, like that. And then there's a button, just with like an X. And his collar of the waistcoat goes up underneath his chin, with little angles on them. Right, so his arm is just sort of hanging down here, right? And there is fluff and fur and stuff sticking out of the arms as well. I think there might be some stitches, I'm not sure. It looks a bit different. But it goes down this way. And there's like some cotton sort of balls coming out of his wrist. His leg goes off that way and that has hair on it as well. And then he has a wristband. It's going down there. That way. I think he's got like some stitching on his belly. Okay, and then his collar on the other side. Arm coming this way, and he's kind of holding on to a walking stick. We'll do his hand on the top of it anyway. So his arm goes out this way, and then the other arm seems to go just this way. And there's like a line of fur on the arm here. Some stitching. And then we get like more cotton sticking out of his wrist. It's like a cloud, you know. And then his hand has different stitched sections. So stitching here, here, and then a line. And then his hand is fairly straightforward. So it's just like the tops of the knuckles. He's wrapped around the ball a bit. He's like holding out, it's like holding on to the top of it. Just like this kind of. And then his thumb just going down that way. And then lines across all this with stitches on it as well. He's like kind of dirty and, you know, scratches on him. I think there's a baseball on top of this. So you just draw a sort of a round ball shape down there. Imagine where it goes, I think in there. And it's funny because the baseball has stitches on it. Maybe that's why he likes it so much. And then we just do a pipe coming down. There's lots of wires and stuff further down, but we can only kind of see the top of it here. Like that. Giblet. Oh, there's a vein here. All right, here's our boy Giblet. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.